Sir, are you speaking anything?
Yes, Ashish.
Sir, it's too low. I can't hear you.
Deepika? Navika?
So the volume is too low.
Is it? Srinidhi? Now see?
Sir, did you call me? It was like very faint.
Ma?
Sir, did you call me?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, but it is very faint. Like very low volume.
Yeah, I understood. Hello?
Yes,
Can you hear me now?
yes, sir.
Okay. What we have discussed in the last class? Hello? Srinidhi?
Yes, sir.
What we have discussed in the last class, ma?
Parallelogram law and triangle law. Like these were the major.
Completed, huh? Two. What
Yes,
is the use of the parallelogram law and triangle law? What is that parallelogram law and triangle law? Bhanupriya?
Sir, I was absent the last class. We had UTs.
Okay.
Sir, I can try.
Tell me, ma.
Sir, like for parallelogram law, if the magnitude P is greater than Q and alpha is
No,
greater,
I am
sorry,
asking
is
what is the use? What is the use of parallelogram law and triangle law? I am asking.
sir, to represent the adjacent size of side of parallelogram.
What is that? No, no, very bad. So that is not. So when we are discussing one topic, for what reason we are discussing also, you are not understanding, right? Just you are listening like it is a topic, that's all. But what is the use? What is the use of the parallelogram law? What is the use of the triangle law? That you don't know. But even though you are not asking, right? So parallelogram law and triangle law, by using that we can add vectors which are in different direction. Understand clearly?
yes, sir.
That is the use. Without use, you are reading. I don't know what you are listening from these many days. If you don't know, you should ask me, right? Sir, we didn't understand. What is the use, sir? So what is the triangle law? What is the parallelogram law? What is the use of that? The use is we can add vectors by using parallelogram law and triangle law. So when you add vectors by using parallelogram law and triangle law, we can give we can find both the magnitude and direction of the resultant. Okay. If we add two vectors, it will become one vector. That vector is called resultant. Resultant is nothing. A vector, B vector. If we add the two vectors, you will get one more vector. That is called resultant. So this resultant having direction and magnitude. That resultant magnitude and direction we can give by using the parallelogram law and triangle law, and we can add the two vectors which are in the different angles by using parallelogram law and triangle law. Understand clearly? Both gives the same result. Hello?
Yes, sir. But if both gives the same result, then why are two different laws?
Both gives the same result means whichever we can use, whichever you can understand clearly, because one thing we can study in the different manners. Only one job, different persons they can do, right?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So it can give different, but use is same. If you forgot the parallelogram law, then use the triangle law, because you know the triangular statement and everything. Okay, by using two things we can find. They have given two weapons to us, but two weapons useful to only to get magnitude, its direction and magnitude of the resultant. Okay, let's see.
Okay, sir.
Now, what is the resultant in the parallelogram law? Resultant magnitude how much? Resultant magnitude how much? How to calculate magnitudes?
So magnitude
Root
is
of
tan
two
alpha.
square plus
No. That's what. That where you will make mistake there. Magnitude is r bar. Mod r bar is equal to root over
Yes, sir.
p
Root
square
over p
plus
square plus
q
q
square
square plus
plus
2pq cos theta.
q cos theta. It gives the magnitude. Did you understand or not? I don't know. Velocity equal to, if it is a velocity 2 meter per second, is it the velocity? No, because velocity is a vector quantity. I given 2 meter per second, so it is not a vector. 2 meter per second north if I give. If it's a speed having no direction, only magnitude. Velocity having both magnitude and direction. So 2 meter per second north. Here 2 meter per second is the magnitude. 2 meter per second, 5 meter per second, 6 kg. There is no any direction to these numbers. These are called magnitudes. A physical quantity which having both magnitude and direction is called vector, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So magnitude means this is called magnitude. These are called magnitudes. Direction, if you give direction, it will get the direction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How to find out direction? Tan alpha equal to
Q sin theta by p bar plus
q
q bar
bar
cos
sin
theta.
theta by
P
p
P
bar
bar
plus,
plus q cos theta.
right? It gives the direction. Along the, it is by using parallelogram. If it is the triangle only, two things will come. If it is the parallelogram triangle, one thing will come. Parallelogram means tan beta also will come. How much?
Tan beta is p bar sin theta by q bar plus p bar cos theta.
It gives the directions. It is the magnitude. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Now see the important points, or you can say that these are the problems also you can say. See that very clearly you should understand. What will happen? Is it any point I told after that?
Yes. Yes, sir. You give many points.
Many points I given, right? If
Yes, sir.
P is greater than Q, that means what will happen?
Then alpha greater than beta.
Here what is P? What is Q?
P is So P is the first vector and Q is the second
Yes,
vector.
if which vector is more, this vector is more, this vector is small in the magnitudes, okay? So if it is
Yes, sir.
like this, then alpha will
Is
become,
greater than beta. Greater than beta.
right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
then alpha will be small now, because if magnitude is more, angle will be less, right?
Sir?
If magnitude is more, angle will be less, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Beta is greater than alpha.
Beta is greater than alpha. Both are same, okay? Alpha less than beta or beta greater than alpha. Both are same. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
One more point, see.
Q greater than P, then alpha greater than beta.
Yes. Now, one more point. I think how many points I given? 3, 4, 5 points I given, I think, right? 5 or 6?
6.
6
So
points I
6
given.
or 7. 6 or
Yes.
7.
No,
7.
6 I given. 7th point, see. What is the 7th
No, sir, you
point?
do have 7. If resultant is perpendicular.
That is over. So now
Okay,
see,
sir.
if the magnitudes of two vectors are same, if magnitude of the two vectors are same and angle between them is theta, and angle between them is theta, then their resultant is you should try to understand the question. It is very easy. What they are asking? Come on, everyone should participate, okay? Don't
So
sit
they're
silently.
asking the value of the resultant vector.
Right? Resultant means what will be there for
Sum.
resultant?
P bar plus Q bar.
Yeah, what will be there for resultant? Magnitude and direction, right?
Yes, sir.
Please. So resultant first solution. Resultant magnitude, how to calculate? We know that.
R is equal to root
Yes,
of
R
P
bar
square
equal to
equal
root
to
over.
root of P square plus Q square plus 2 cos PQ.
Right?
Yes, sir.
But in the question, what they have given?
Magnitude of two vectors are same.
That means let
P and Q are same. P
not
bar.
let here given. So given P equal to Q. That means wherever I will see Q, I can place P. Otherwise, wherever I will see P, I can place Q. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now see, so R bar equal to root over P square plus P square
P
plus
square plus
2P
2P.
square cos theta. Am I
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Angle is
Yes,
theta
sir.
only, no? They given.
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right? Everyone?
No doubt.
Ashish, yeah, Ashish. Srinidhi, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now see, you should understand one of the formula I will write. Keep in your mind. Root over here P square plus P square, how much? 2P square
Yes, sir.
plus again
Of
2P
common.
square cos theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Again that equation I will write R bar equal to 2P square common I took 1
Yes, sir.
cos theta. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Again P R bar equal to P. I can take P I can take outside, right?
Yes, sir. Because its square will get cancelled.
Yeah, if I want, I can take outside. Leave like that. Now see, 2P square since 1 plus cos theta equal to this formula you should remember 2 cos square theta by 2. Remember this formula. Note 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus, it is the first formula. Second formula, note formulas. 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. These are the two formulas you should remember. Now see, 1 plus cos theta means what can you write?
1 plus cos theta will be 2 cos square theta by
2
2.
cos square theta by 2 I written. 2 into 2 how much ma?
4.
4. So 2 square can we write that?
Yes, sir.
2
So
square
2.
p square cos
So
square
2p will
theta
come
by
out.
2. So now see 2 square p square cos square.
Cos square.
So what will happen?
All will come out. All will come out.
Cos
Cos
theta by
theta by
2,
2.
right? That
Yes,
is
sir.
what the magnitude of resultant
Okay.
when the two vectors having same magnitude. If the two vectors having same magnitude and angle between them is theta. Clear? No doubt, right?
No, sir.
It is the resultant. One of the problem it is. So I am giving as a points wise. When the two vectors are same in magnitude, angle between them is theta. And before the case, what we have discussed, two vectors are acting mutually perpendicular to each other, right?
Yes, sir.
That time, what will happen also? Resultant formula we will write. We will substitute cos theta plus cos 90. We will get some of the answer. See once, everything is easy. Slowly you should learn. No doubt, right?
No, sir.
So we found resultant magnitude we got. Resultant magnitude is this much. But resultant having direction also, right?
Yes, sir. We have to
Yes.
calculate direction also.
We will calculate first. Did you write that?
No, sir. Just a minute. Writing.
Yes, yes. And these formulas, whenever I'm saying note formulas, that formulas you have to remember, okay? It will be useful. And one fine day, I will tell you how we got this. Even it's mathematics, but we will get. Now did you understand how
But
to
only
find?
theta is under 2, not cos. Cos theta is under 2. Okay, sir.
This theta by 2, okay?
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Only theta by 2 or cos square theta by 2?
No, no. Cos square theta by 2.
Okay, so cos square into theta by 2.
Yes. We will write cos theta, right? In the theta place, theta by 2 is there.
Okay, sir. So just a minute.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done, right?
Yes.
Tanya,
Sir.
understand ma? Trishla,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir. I understand.
So here magnitude, that means you should remember that formula. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When they have given two vectors, if you want to find out magnitude, definitely you should use this formula. Now see, magnitude we got. Now direction we want, right?
Yes, sir.
The direction we have to calculate.
So we
Direction
have to
formula,
calculate tan alpha and tan beta.
tan alpha, both are same, right? If you
Yes, sir.
find out tan alpha, tan beta also will get. Tan alpha equal to
Okay.
how much?
Q bar
Q bar
plus sin
sin
theta
theta by
P bar
plus
plus R
Q
plus
bar
Q bar cos theta.
cos theta. Given. What given? Come
Given
on.
is P is equal
P
to
is
Q.
equals to Q.
Yes, P bar equal to Q bar. P equal to Q. They have given that. So according to that, tan alpha equal to P bar sin theta by P bar plus P bar cos theta. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Oh, now see again this equation, tan alpha equal to P bar sin
Common.
theta by P
P
bar
bar of
1 plus cos
cos
theta.
theta.
Right?
We have to substitute.
Understand? No doubt right here?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Mm,
Sir, can
now,
we cancel P bar?
yeah. Now, tan alpha equal to sin theta by 1 plus cos theta means what formula you learned?
2 cos square theta by 2.
2 cos square theta by 2 you learned, right?
Yes.
Write that.
So I'm not understanding how P bar cos theta became. Okay, you took P bar common. Okay. Sorry, sir, I didn't.
Yes. Understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Now see, sin 2 theta equal to, it is a formula. Okay, one more formula here. Just remember third formula. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta and cos theta. Okay, na? Sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta, right? Formula.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see from here, I will write fourth formula. Sin theta equal to 2 I remove, 2 I send that side. Now 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Come on, this 2 I sent here multiplication. If it is goes division only, no?
Yes.
Please everyone understand clearly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see tan alpha equal to, come on, sin theta means what can you write?
Sin theta, you can write it as 2 sin square theta. 2 sin theta by 2 into
2
cos theta
sin
by 2.
theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 by 2 cos square theta by 2.
Theta
Okay?
by 2, theta by 2 cancel.
2
Yes, sir.
cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2.
Yes, sir.
What you will remain with tan alpha equal to sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
From this tan alpha equal to sin by cos how much?
1.
No. Sin by cos, sin by sin not, right?
Yes, sir. Sin by cos is
Tan.
Yes, fifth formula.
yeah, tan.
Sin
It's a
theta
yes
by cos theta equal to
equal to tan theta.
Here sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2 is there. So what will happen here?
Tan theta by 2.
Tan theta
Yes,
by 2.
tan theta by 2. That means
Alpha is equal
alpha
to
equal
theta by
to
2.
theta by 2. Very good. Understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, alpha equal to theta by 2. That is the direction. Any doubt? No doubt, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So, can you read the third formula?
This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. I want sin theta. I don't want sine 2 theta. So 2 I sent right hand side. 2 theta will become theta by 2, theta by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2, like that. So sine theta by cos theta equal to tan theta from that. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Can I?
No, sir. No.
Right, right, slowly.
So this alpha is equal to theta by 2 is the direction.
Yes. Means that vector is making theta by 2 angle with that resultant is making theta by 2 angle with p bar, right?
P bar.
Yes.
So any value.
Yes.
Like if you take theta as 10, it will become 5.
What?
Like that.
Yes, correct. 10 means 5, 60 means 30, 90 means 45, like that. Okay. When
Okay.
the both vectors having equal magnitude, there is a condition.
So can they like ask us to do till here and after that substitute the value of theta and find alpha like that?
Yes, yes, they can.
Okay.
And now see, I want to
So when
speak.
they ask like that, should we prove till here that alpha is equal to theta by 2
Yes,
also?
ma.
Okay.
Direction and magnitude also you should find. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, these lessons are very, very important for the first PUC, and vector lesson we will use everywhere. Even in the second PUC also we will use this lesson. So this lesson, how much you are perfect, so that much physics will become that much easy. So please concentrate on each and everything. Resolution, when you are doing the resolution, cos theta, which side you have to give?
Cos theta, you have to give it to the side, adjacent side of the angle.
It is R. Here, how much we have to write?
So there it will be sine
R sine theta.
theta.
It will be?
R cos theta.
Yes. Which side theta is there? That side. That remember. Can we? Is it the correct angle?
No, sir.
What we
No,
have
sir.
to do to get the correct angle?
You have to shift the position.
Here, how much it will be?
180 minus theta.
Very good. So angle, how to mention angle also we should remember. Clear?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right? Can I?
Yes.
Now see. Resultant will be in this direction, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose what I want to do, it is resultant is something R bar, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what I am doing, this Q I will give in the negative direction. This is what my Q, this is negative Q. If it is the positive, it is negative only, no? Opposite direction.
Yes, sir.
Now resultant of these two will be here or
Negative R
here,
bar. Sir, downwards.
right?
Yes, sir.
Take it is a S bar. What is that?
S bar.
Take it is a S bar. Now, what is the resultant that we will get? What is the resultant that we will get?
P bar minus Q bar.
Yes, P bar minus Q bar equal to how much?
S bar.
Equal to
Root
S bar.
S
Very
bar.
good. Now. Equal to
Root of P square
P square.
minus Q square plus
No.
Q square
Plus Q square.
minus 2 cos.
I will write to C. Plus 2 PQ cos. It is theta. If you take it is the theta, it will become how much?
180 minus theta.
So 180 minus theta. Give 180 minus theta. So cos 180 minus theta is minus theta. Okay? Minus cos theta.
Minus sin theta. Minus cos theta. Sir.
Minus cos theta. So P square plus Q square minus 2PQ cos theta. Since cos 180 minus theta equal to minus cos theta. Understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
I think some members, they are not speaking. Only one person he is talking. Remaining no one is responding. I don't know what is the problem. Is there any network
Sir.
issue? Srinidhi?
Can you explain this question from first? Like
Yes, I
this
will explain. That's what I'm waiting. Now see. Originally, it is P bar, it is Q bar. Resultant is this. Angle between Q and P is theta. Now what I'm doing, I am adding, subtraction means adding of negative vector, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what I'm doing, this vector I given in the reverse direction. It is means negative vector only, right?
Yes, sir.
So, and it is P bar, it is minus Q bar. The resultant of these two will be, this is only, right?
Yes.
Actually, if it is the theta, then it is the line. So 180, it will become 180 minus theta only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So P bar minus Q bar is equal to S bar. If you want to find out this resultant, P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta, yeah, theta plus cos 180 minus theta, right?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Cos 180 minus theta will become minus cos theta. So I given minus front. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Write that. Here one more twist I will give you that you have to solve. If,
Just a minute, writing this one.
yeah, no need. It is a question for you people. After written that, tell if P bar equal to Q bar, then what is the magnitude of S bar? If you write that, tell me if P bar equal to Q bar, what is the magnitude of this P minus Q? Means nothing but S bar. Everyone, are you can you understand properly, or simply you are?
Yes, sir. I'm writing the other one.
Yeah. Tanya, I can't hear you, Tanya. Maybe network problem it is. Definitely. Deepika. Deepika,
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what's the last part of the question?
Last part of the question. What is the magnitude of S bar? S bar.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Here P bar, ma. P bar equal to Q bar. Find out the S bar magnitude. So how much can you say?
Sir, just a minute. I just finished. I'm writing the question. Just 2 minutes. I'll solve it.
S bar equal to root over P square plus Q square plus, sorry, Q square minus 2PQ cos theta given
So it will become
P
root
bar
of p square plus q square minus 2p square cos theta.
root over P
P
square
square
plus
plus p
P
square
square plus minus
minus
square
2
cos
p
theta, right?
square cos theta. Same as before one.
Yes, so root over
So can you read what did you write after magnitude of?
magnitude of S bar, this one, magnitude of mod S bar. Now it is P square 2P square minus 2P square cos theta, 2P square common, 1 minus cos theta. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
1 minus cos theta means what we have written?
So 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by
2P square 1 minus cos theta equal to sin square
Sin square
theta by 2.
theta by 2.
So 2 into 2, 2 square we can write. So this formula you will get 2P sin theta by 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
No doubt, right? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We got magnitude, but even we want the direction also, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me,
Tan alpha
tan alpha equal to, tell me how much?
is equal to p q bar sin theta
Sin,
sin 180 minus theta
very good. Sin 180 minus theta by
by p bar
P
plus q
bar
bar
plus Q bar
cos
cos
180 minus theta.
180 minus theta. Sin 180 minus theta,
Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta.
sin theta only. So Q bar sin theta by cos 180 minus theta.
Cos
Minus
180 minus cos theta.
So P bar minus Q bar cos theta, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the direction. If you don't write this also, no problem, just because you will get in the number wise only, right? 30 degrees, the 40 degrees, 50 degrees, like that you will get, so you can write.
Done, sir.
No doubt,
So
right?
should we calculate tan alpha for this one?
No need, no need.
Okay, sir.
If you want, you can calculate that. I told you, right? You will see once. 1 minus cos theta means you can write, you don't know, you know how to write.
Yes, sir.
You will get, no doubt. No need to write.
Okay, sir.
Can I?
No, sir. No, sir.
This is over, I think.
So,
Mm.
is vector chapter like one part of mechanics?
Yes, one part of mechanics.
So, how many parts of mechanics are there?
So many lessons are there. Each and everywhere we will use vector. You will see. You will see. Wait.
No, sir. After vector, we'll start what chapter?
Motion in one dimensional.
Okay, sir.
When a body is moving only in one direction, so one direction, what will happen? What is the speed? What is the velocity? How many types of velocities are there? How many
Equations
types
of
of
motion.
speeds are there? So equations of motion, everything we will get to know. Okay. Equations
Yes,
of
sir.
motion, derivations.
So we learned it already.
In ninth, huh?
Yes, sir.
Derivations.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Here he will learn graphically.
Yes, sir. We
Graphically.
learned graphically.
Yes, it is there in the ninth class. So one of the part, so many graphical problems we will solve. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir. Sir, is there P bar into Q bar and P bar by Q bar?
P bar.
P bar into Q bar is there?
Yeah, it is the dot product and cross product is there. Next,
Okay, sir.
after completion of this topic, next topic is that is only. I will tell you. Okay. Each and every
Okay,
point
sir.
I will tell you. Slowly you have to write down and try to understand. Now see, one question. How you will solve that question? I want that. Now see, if Vi is initial velocity. Initial means first, okay? Initial velocity. And Vf is final velocity. Then find the change in velocity. Then find the change in velocity. Change in velocity. Suppose solution.
You have to calculate acceleration.
No. Change in velocity, just they asked. Change in velocity, let's see. Given, what they have given? Initial velocity, that is Vi. And final velocity, Vf. Change in velocity equal to V final minus V initial, right?
Yes, sir.
If you want magnitude of it, what we have to do now? Magnitude means what we have to write?
We have to write it as our delta P bar, V bar magnitude root Vi square plus root Vf square minus 2 Vf cos theta.
This is only magnitude, right?
Yes, sir.
We can write. This theta is between what?
Theta is between V
Final.
bar, Bf and Vi.
Final velocity and initial velocity. Understand clearly? Change means we have to remember final minus initial. Okay?
Yes, sir. That's it. No need to calculate further.
No need to calculate anything. If Vf is equal to Vi, how much will you get?
Vi square plus Vi square minus 2 Vi.
Tell me formula, you know, right? Come
Yes,
on.
sir. So it will be 2 Vi square of 1 minus cos theta. Final value. Like
2V,
2V. Okay.
2Vi or Vf, anything we can write, right? So I written
Yes,
V.
sir.
Vi is equal to Vf is equal to V. Okay? Understand?
Yes, sir.
So 2V cos theta or sin theta?
Sin theta.
Sin theta by 2.
Yes, very good. Sine theta by 2. Any doubt? Hello, no doubt, right?
No, sir.
Now this problem, whatever the problem I am writing, I don't solve. You should solve and you should tell me.
So now itself.
Yes, now. So much time we have. We will complete the most of the problems here. And next class, dot product and cross product. Here now I will give you introduction. What is the dot product and cross product? If we complete the dot product and cross product, yeah, enough. Up to PUC level over. Okay?
Yes, sir.
See the question. Problem.
In PUC, 15 chapters are there.
Yes, 15 are there.
So this is the second chapter.
Yes.
Or is it part of second chapter?
This is the part of second chapter, but in the chapter it is very small topic they have given. They won't give proper question on this much information. They won't give in that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Only what is parallelogram law, what is a triangle law. That's all. It will be there. So many points they won't give, but each and every point you know now, right? So let's see.
Yes, sir.
Problem. A particle is moving. A particle is moving eastwards with a velocity of 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. In 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, its velocity changed to 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second northwards. Find the average acceleration. Find the average acceleration. You know what is acceleration, right?
Yes, sir. Change in
in
velocity
Yes,
by
sir.
time. Change in velocity by time.
Yes. Now see. Here you should remember they have given east north. Whenever you are reading the question, please, you should make sure that you have to know how to draw the diagram. They given east to west to north, this type of things they have given. So we know, right? East, north to south, east to west.
West.
Right?
Yes.
This diagram, if you remember, now you can understand what is happening. A particle is moving eastwards. Clear? Eastwards.
Yes, sir.
How much? 5 meter per second. Right? After it is northwards. 10 meter per second. It is I cap because X direction, right? Did you remember?
Yes, sir. J
Yes,
cap
sir.
there.
It is J cap,
J
right?
cap.
Because direction also we should mention. 10 meter per second, J cap. What they are asking acceleration. Acceleration formula, you know, right?
V minus U by T.
Yeah, A bar acceleration vector Vf minus Vi by time, right? Change in velocity by time, right?
Yes, sir.
Change it 10 I given. Change it 10 seconds. Change it to okay. Now see, Vf how much? 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus Vi how much?
5.
Yeah, 5.
10 J cap. 10, sorry, 5
I cap.
by 10.
Yes, sir.
10i. That you have to write. Now resultant means how to do, you know, right?
You have to resolve it.
So it is the resultant, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the resultant formula?
Resultant, so magnitude.
Yes.
R is equal to root of p square plus q square plus 2
So
pq
here
cos theta.
10 square plus 5 square minus
So minus or plus?
plus 2 into 10
pq cos
into
theta.
5 cos how much?
Cos theta.
How much cos theta here?
So it's not given.
90.
90.
Cos 90 equal to
90.
Zero.
Cos 90 0.
no need, right? Everything
No,
will
sir.
become 0. So 10 square means 100
100
plus 25.
125.
So you will get how much?
5 root 5.
5 root
5
5.
root 5. So right here 5 root 5 by 10.
10. 1 by 2 root 5.
Yes, you will get. Understand that type of thing?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the direction of that?
Tan alpha is equal to q bar plus p bar.
Direction? Eastwards. North to south, east to west they have given.
Sir, sorry to ask, but we have to find the difference between 10 j cap and 5 I cap,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So why are we adding?
Yes,
Like,
actually,
resultant is
yeah. Actually, what you have to do, resultant, right? So northwards, this we have taken this direction, ma. Sorry for that, because difference we want. So it will be 5 meter per second minus I, right?
yes, sir.
So here what will happen?
Minus 25.
Minus 2.
Minus 25 not. That is correct.
That will be
Yes, sir.
That will be
plus
correct.
25.
Minus
0
2.
anyway.
Yeah, anywhere. So it is correct. Everything is correct. Now resultant direction will be in this
100 minus. So won't it be 100 minus 25?
no minus. Why, ma? Correct only, no? Always p
No,
square
sir.
plus q
Root
square.
of 100 minus 25.
Why minus 25? P square plus q square, right?
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
It will be minus something, but minus 0 is anything. Nothing is there. No value. So everything is correct.
So,
Now its direction is northwest.
so it's eastwards, right? So why is it in the opposite direction?
No man, change, right?
Okay.
Vf minus Vi, not plus Vi, minus Vi. So I direction is negative. It is minus I cap direction. It is I cap direction. Okay. It is minus I cap direction. It is I cap direction. It is J cap direction. It is minus J cap direction. If they give. Understand? So direction is northwest. Direction is northwest. Any doubt?
Excuse me, sir, could you explain once more?
Yeah, once more. Let's see. Particle is moving with the eastwards. Take it is going eastward with velocity 5 meter per second. So first they given it is going eastward direction only. Listen carefully. And it's after 10 seconds velocity change it to 10 meter per second northwards. But they are asking acceleration. Acceleration means Vf minus Vi. It can't be V minus Vi. Minus Vi is what? This is the minus Vi. So
Yes, sir.
this vector we have reversed. So minus Vi.
Yes,
Remaining
sir.
everything is common.
So I didn't understand one part. Why did you write down direction n is equal to w?
Now what direction is the resultant?
Resultant is in northwest.
That's what.
Okay, it's northwest.
Yes, northwest direction.
Okay, sir. It looks like n is equal to w.
I understood. Northwest direction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Small mistake. Then if you do, direction is to change, but direction is
Direction will
not.
become northeast.
Yes. So one small direction if we give wrong turn part 1 2 3 will come. It's very dangerous. You should not change the direction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Even this question also I explained. I told I don't want to explain, but I explain. This question really I don't explain. I will wait. Who will give answer? Who will understand this? And who will give this answer? Let's see. Even I have to find. Two vectors. A bar and B bar have equal magnitudes. You know, two vectors, if you're having equal magnitudes, all information you have. For the magnitude of,
So the board is blur.
yeah, wait, it will come.
Yes, and I was.
Yeah. For the magnitude, of A bar plus B bar to be larger than the magnitude of A bar minus B bar by a factor n, by a factor small n. What must be the angle between them? What must be the angle between them? I want to see who will do that problem by using concept. Let's see how much knowledge you have now. I want to see that. Hello, did you get any idea?
Just a minute, sir, thinking.
Yeah. Directly you can write, actually you know everything. A bar minus B bar, what is the value you know? A bar plus B bar also value you know, when the two vectors having equal magnitude. Everything you have. Now I want to see. Anybody? Rajashree, Tanya, Trisla, Bhanupriya.
So I got A bar is equal to n by 2.
Why you are
Same,
taking
I got
only
the
one
same.
vector? They have given two. This is that.
No, sir,
Yes.
both are equated. No, sir. I took A bar plus B bar minus of A bar minus B bar is equal to N.
Wait. Solution. Wait, ma. Very good. Come on. What you took?
A bar plus B bar
Very good. Slowly. A bar plus B bar equal to?
minus, no, sir, minus, not equal to,
So
minus
that
symbol.
came till 2a sine theta by 2 plus n is equal to 2a cos theta by 2. But then I don't know how to proceed after that.
Yeah. Come on. Everyone, they are giving different. Nicely. Wait, come on. Two vectors, they have equal in magnitude, that we know. The magnitude of this is to be larger than this, right?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
By, okay, that is multiplication or addition.
How can you say addition? Times, n times.
Okay.
So
By factor of n, I thought it is addition.
understand now.
Okay, sir.
By the
Yes,
factor.
sir. I didn't do like this. I did it like A bar plus B bar minus of A bar minus B bar is equal to N.
No.
Sir,
It
is
is
the
correct.
angle
Understand clearly now? Now A bar is magnitude, okay? Remember. And both are equal. Both vectors are equal. So how much result will you get? If A bar plus B bar, both vectors are equal, what is the resultant you got? Come on. If the
2a cos theta by 2.
2
A cos theta by 2.
cos theta by 2, very good. And into how much?
2a sine theta by 2.
Very good. Sin theta by 2. When the two vectors having equal magnitude, if you want to get the resultant, this is the resultant that we learned in the previous topic. When the two vectors having equal magnitude, when you are subtracting, you will get this resultant. Now here, can I? Come on.
So is the answer cot theta by 2?
Yeah, you can. I will take how you know. Yeah, cot theta by 12. That is also correct. I don't say it is wrong. So if I take like this, cot theta by 2 you will get, right? Cot,
Yes.
because cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 equal to n. That means you will get cot theta by 2 equal to n, right?
Yes, sir.
Say this thing in terms of sin tan theta. 1 by cot theta means
1 by tan theta by 2.
yes, 1 cot theta equal to 1 by
Tan theta by 2.
tan theta by 2 equal to n. So tan theta by 2 equal to 1 by n.
Okay.
Understand? No?
Yes. Sir.
If you say no, I will explain here only.
So can we leave the answer in cot theta form only?
Yeah.
Or
But why you have to leave? If they give in the tan theta formula, you will leave the problem. See, if I send the cos theta this side, if I send this side n, so it will become 1 by n. Here sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. So 1 by n equal to tan theta by 2, right? Clear?
yes, sir.
Here nothing is there, means there is a 1. So if you send n, here it is multiplication. If it is comes left hand side, it will do division. So sin theta by 2, if you send cos theta, it will become sin theta 2 by cos theta by 2. Sin by cos equal to tan theta by 2. You will get 1 by n. Clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. So unless they ask it, if they don't tell anything like write in terms of tan theta, can we leave it as cot theta by 2?
Yeah. Definitely. If
Okay,
they
sir.
give options in terms of tan theta, then definitely you should find this. If they give options in terms of cot theta, you can do up to cot theta and you can leave. But both is same. Let's see, just only one step. If you send sin theta this side, it will become cot theta. If you send cos theta that side, it will become tan theta. That's all. This step will decide. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now one problem I'm going to write. See once. Let's see. 221 meter per second. I don't want to change this magnitude, but I want to give direction to this. Can I give?
Yes, sir, by multiplying it with unit vector.
Very good. Multiplying by one unit vector. Unit vector, what is the meaning of unit vector?
It is
Sir, with
one and it is
magnitude
used to give direction
Come on,
to.
come on. What is the unit vector formula? Can you say what is the unit vector formula?
R bar by
No, don't say in the R bar times. I cap is the unit vector. Say formula to this.
A
Suppose
cap is equal to
no.
A bar.
I give an I cap. So I cap is the unit vector. Say this formula. If I give you A cap, tell me the unit vector formula.
A bar
Very good. A bar by
by A bar and absolute
magnitude
thing.
magnitude of this, right? Here also I bar by I bar its magnitude.
I bar magnitude.
Clear? Understand?
yes, sir.
No doubt, right?
Yes.
So anything, if I give a scalar to you, give one direction. If I ask you without changing its magnitude, definitely we should multiple with the one unit vector. That unit vector formula is I bar by its magnitude, or J bar by its magnitude, K bar by its magnitude, A bar by its magnitude, B bar by its magnitude. That is only unit vector. Unit vector represented with letter cap. Vector represented with arrow mark. Magnitude is represented with mod. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now happily I can give you one problem. How you will solve that problem, I want to see. Just if you give small idea now, how you have given 2a cos theta by 2, like that if you give, then I will say the answer. Otherwise, I don't say answer. How many days you will take to learn that, you should learn, because I am going to start what is the cross product and dot product. Mostly so many problems we did. Come on. If A bar equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap. See once, if I want mod A bar, what will you do? Tell me. Come on. What will you do? How can I get mod A? I given one vector. I want its magnitude. What will you do? Anybody? Small idea.
3i cap.
The magnitude of 3i cap plus 4j cap, which will be root of 3i cap square plus 4j cap square plus 2 3i cap 4j cap.
Come on. Here only one vector, two vectors are there. Cos 90, is I and j always 90 angle, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So cos
Okay.
90 equal to 0,
So-
right? Come on, now.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Come on.
Root of 3i cap
No
square.
need I in the direction. We want only magnitude, right?
Okay, 3 square plus 4
Very
square.
good, ma. 3 square plus 4 square, you will get 5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you have this much idea, you will do this problem. I know. Let's see. And B bar equal to 7i cap plus 24 j cap. Find a vector having CCC. They have given two vectors, but what they are asking, find a new vector. Come on, find a new vector. They are asking you find new vector. So that new vector, find a new vector having same magnitude, same magnitude of B bar Same magnitude. How much magnitude is there to the B? Same magnitude and direction is along or and parallel to A bar. And parallel to A bar. Mean direction is along the direction of A. That is the and parallel to A bar. Come on. Come on. If you give small idea. Vaibhavi, come on. You can.
Sir, can I?
Actually, Vaibhavi raising hand, but I think mic problem. Okay, Manu. Okay, Vaibhavi.
Sir, can I do it like C
Yes.
bar is
Very
equal to?
C bar equal to, that is the new vector. Tell me.
Yes, sir. B with the absolute thing, magnitude.
Yeah.
And A cap.
Very good, ma. A cap, right? So B bar. A cap means how can you write?
A by the magnitude.
Now, do you have B bar magnitude? Come on.
Yes, sir.
What is the B bar magnitude, ma? B bar equal to root over?
7 square.
7 square
plus
24 square.
24 square. How much you will get? 49.
25.
25, ma? See once, you will get 25,
Yes,
it seems. Okay. Now, A bar is there with you?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So, B bar is 25 and A bar is 7 I cap, sorry, 3 I cap plus 4 J cap by A bar. Magnitude of A, how much?
5.
5. Can we cancel?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
5 into 3 I cap plus 4 J cap over. That is only C bar. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
If you
Yes,
want to
sir.
get multiple, no problem, right? What will happen if you multiple? Because when you are if you multiple a vector with a scalar, then magnitude will change, right? Direction won't change. Clear? 15 I cap plus 20 J cap. Hello?
So answer is supposed to write in the form of 15 I cap plus 20 J cap, or we can leave it like this.
You can leave it like this also. What will happen? Or simply, you know, the multiplication, write 15 I cap plus 20 J cap over. What is there in that?
No,
From
sir.
here
Maybe there is some rule like we have to write.
rule is, that type of rule is not there. If they give options in terms of like this, up to here enough. If they give options like this, do that.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ma, very good. Nicely you said. See, when you are reading question, you should understand like that. They ask a new vector. That new vector characteristics what? That new vector is magnitude is equal to B, and the parallel to A means A direction. A direction means you should not write like this. It's very bad. Direction when you are giving, you should give cap. Unit vector you should multiple. Then its magnitude won't change. If you write A bar, definitely magnitudes will change. It's not change like this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, 15 minutes time is there. In that 15 minutes time, I'm going to give small information. Let's see. Mostly, if we know cross product and dot product, over. And I'm giving you first 46 questions in vectors. Next time, in the next class, I will ask you first 46 questions in the PDF. First,
No PDF is given.
okay. I will tell to Sir. Sir will send you first 46 questions in that. Okay. Clear?
So all are MCQ.
All are MCQs.
Okay, sir.
Objective type questions definitely you should solve. When you are solving objective type questions, your knowledge will increase. Now look at this. Listen this topic. Some time is there, so listen. I got one doubt. The doubts I will share with you. Can you, if I multiple scalar into vector a bar, what will happen? If you multiple, can you multiple vector scalar into vector? Hello, can you multiple scalar into vector?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Can you multiple
Yes.
scalar into vector?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If you multiple scalar into vector, what will you get? Vector or
6
scalar?
I cap. You'll get a vector.
Vector.
Vector, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. If you multiple scalar into scalar, what will you get?
Scalar.
Very good.
Scalar.
Awesome. If you multiple vector into scalar, you will get a vector. If you multiple scalar into scalar, you will get scalar. But my doubt is, if you multiple vector into vector, what will you get? Answer. Solution. Come on.
Scalar or vector.
Is it? Is it?
Only vector, I think.
Sir, I think only vector.
Come on, remaining person, they are not speaking. Are they not interested or what?
This question is come in the test,
Okay, okay. Yeah.
so I got this wrong.
If you multiple vector into vector, what will we get?
Sir, I think it is vector.
I think it's vector. Okay. Remaining Navika. Rajashree, I can't hear you because network problem. I know, I can understand you.
So it's vector.
It's vector. Okay, good. Remaining. Okay, see once. Ashish,
Yes, sir.
what you told?
Scalar or vector.
Here, when you are, if you do multiplication between vector and vector, you will get scalar or vector. So our question is, when will you get scalar? When you are multiplying vector and vector, when will you get scalar, and when will you get vector? That is only. So that is what we are going to learn in the next class. First thing we will learn scalar after vector. If I complete these two, that is enough. More than that, I don't go. So it is enough to you people. So mostly in the next class, we will discuss about the scalar. By the next class, vector. Over. No other things. Am I clear everything whatever I said?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you multiple scalar into vector, what will happen?
Scalar or vector.
If you
Vector.
if you multiple scalar into vector.
So scalar into vector, you will get vector.
Vector.
If you multiple scalar into scalar.
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 If you multiple vector into vector.
Scalar or
Scalar
vector.
or vector.
When will you get a scalar? When you are doing dot product. Which product?
Dot product.
Dot product.
Dot product. If you do cross product, what will you get?
Vector.
I know. Now what will happen, you know? You should feel what is dot product, what is cross product, and what are the properties of dot product, what are the properties of cross product. Over.
So
What is dot product? What is cross product? What are the properties of dot product? What are the properties of cross product? If we know, enough. How to define the dot product, how to define the cross product. That's what we are going to learn in the next class. Am I clear up to here, whatever I said?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what is the parallelogram law?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Tell me, ma.
sir, how will you get vector into vector, scalar or vector?
That's what we are going to learn in the next class. If I say now only, I have to complete the topic.
Okay, sir.
I will tell you. Definitely, I will tell you. You have to wait for that. How it will become. Now, how you ask a question like that only you should wait. Good, ma. Okay.
Yes.
Understand clearly, ma?
Yes.
So let's see. Small questions. So what we have discussed till now in the vector lesson, I will give you just in the mind map. Mind map purpose I will give you. Even you have to say.
Sir,
What
should
is
we
scalar?
draw it?
Not mind map. Mind map means I will give you like this. So
Okay, sir, need not
what is
write it.
scalar? No need. It is better. Okay. It is better to write first page. We discussed about scalar, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We know about vector, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Types of vectors we know, right?
Yes, sir.
After, how to add vectors?
Addition and
Sorry.
subtraction.
Laws of vector means vector. Sorry. Addition of vectors.
And subtraction of it.
Yes.
Then
Addition
laws of
vectors.
addition.
Yes. Addition of vectors.
Subtraction.
Subtraction of vectors. Next.
Laws of addition. Laws of addition.
Laws of addition. What are the laws of addition?
Commutative, associative, and
Very good.
distributive.
Next.
Next one, resolution.
Very good. What about the angle between the vectors? We learned, right?
Yes, sir, angle between vectors, yeah.
Angle between vectors.
Then resolution.
Angle between vectors. We learned how to mention that angle. Some of the problems also we did on that. And resolution.
Yes, sir. 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional.
Resolution 2D. And what is the resolution? What is the resolution meaning?
You are splitting the vector
Yes.
into two.
Splitting of vector into its components. Splitting of vector into its component called resolution. That we have resolved the 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. Some of the important problems I told, cos square theta plus sin square something equal to 2, 1, like that I have given that one. And after, how to add vectors which are in the different directions by using parallelogram law.
Yes, sir. Triangle law.
Triangle law. That we have learned, okay? And then the parallelogram law, some of the important points also I given, right? All important points slowly I given everything. Till now what we
Yes,
have
sir.
discussed that, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
and even just I give an introduction about what is the dot product and what is the cross product, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Just
sir.
keep in your mind. Just keep in mind. Now, wait. Just a second. Polygonal law of vector addition. Polygonal law. Polygonal law of vectors. You learned triangular, right? You know the statement, right?
Yes, sir.
You know resultant, right? Hello. Why everyone became silent? Come on. You know polygon. You know triangular, right?
Yes, sir.
You know parallelogram law, right?
Yes.
By using triangular, parallelogram law, same result. Everything is same. No need to discuss about anything also. Okay. And polygonal law means nothing. If the vectors, if a number of vectors are represent the sides of the polygonal, you know, right? 1, 2, 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
if it is A bar, if it is B bar, it is C bar, if it is D bar, resultant closing side of the polygonal, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, taken in the order.
Sir,
Tell me, ma.
I got disconnected for 2 minutes. What were you telling?
Yeah. Nothing is there. I will tell you. See, one more. This is just a statement is enough. No need anything. Because directly we will add. Polygonal law. Polygonal law means if the vectors are given, now if two or more vectors, a number of vectors. If the number of vectors they have given sides of the polygonal as shown in the figure and the taken in the order, then the resultant of the vectors is the closing side of the polygonal. Is the closing side of the, even where did you learn this type of thing? Resultant is opposite direction. Where did you learn that resultant is opposite direction, this type of statement?
Triangle.
Yes, triangle. Two vectors are taken as the sides of the triangle in the taken in a order, then the resultant is the closing side of the triangle taken in opposite order, right?
Yes, sir.
Here what is there? These vectors I have taken in the sides of the polygonal, then the resultant taken in the opposite sides of the polygonal. So here resultant R bar equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Like that. That's what. No need that. Just remember. Clear? Or any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, we see in the next class. Very important topic, dot product and cross product. Don't absent.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Any
Thank
doubt?
you,
Do
sir.
you have any doubts, you people? Please let me know.
No, sir.
And
No,
you will
sir.
get the PDF this night, today night maximum. So 46 questions first solve. If you don't know, nothing is there, we will discuss in the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But
Yes,
if
sir.
you
Actually,
do
we
all,
have exams from Tuesday.
I didn't get.
So we have exams from Tuesday.
Okay. Again, when it will complete.
14th. I think next month, coming Monday. No, next to next Monday.
Next
I
Monday,
think.
just 1 hour. Just sit 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Sit like that on one problem. Try to solve. That's all. If
Okay,
you don't
sir.
know, leave that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everything you should know how to manage. We should do hard work. When there is exams, we should not take any leave. Okay. Nothing is there. 1 hour we will sit. How much we can understand, we will understand. What is there in that? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't take any leaves and all. Please come. How many problems you can solve? Remaining the after completion of exams, you will solve. Nothing is there. I'm not pressurizing,
Okay,
right?
sir.
Come on.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma. See you in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. Yeah.